Let's talk about side crow. Side crow is very interesting arm balance because you need to balance with your hands, but you also doing a twist pose. To start for side crow, owl from squatting position, bring the knees together. Exhale, hook right elbow over left thigh. Now place hands on the floor, shoulder width apart or slightly wider than the shoulders. On exhale, pick up the hips, bring foot off the wall, off the mat, excuse me. Great. Come down. Down leveling, still in the same position, but place the elbows into the hips. So you have extra support on your body. So elbows into the hips. Exhale, lean forwards, pick up the hips, pick up the foot. Hold for 5 breaths. Great job, owl. Come down. Down leveling. For those who don't have the strength yet, what you do is put the block on your hips like this. Now, owl, lean forwards, bend the elbow, pick up the legs. Still in the same pose, but less bearing weight. Slowly come down. Thank you, owl.